Mishnah Bet, ביאור משנה ב', משנתנו באה לתאר את שמחת בית השואבה. So in Mishnah Bet we're going to have an introduction of how this whole celebration took place. במוצאי יום טוב הראשון, so this is the Yom Tov, the first day of the holiday, towards Mincha, or the end of the day, yeah, or מצואי, when it ended completely, של חג ירדו לעזרת נשים. Now it's not a holiday anymore, so the people, the workers, went down to the women's courtyard. כהנים ולוויים מהעזרה שלהם. The כהנים and לוויים went out from their עזרה. You have to remember, there's no one else there. The Am already left. Because it's מצאי חג. The Am is there only during the day. There's no Am there. There's nobody. So the only people who are left now are the Kohanim and Levim. They're working. So the Kohanim and Levim that were working, what was their job? Motzei Chag. ומתקנים שם תיקון גדול. There was big constructions over there. In Ezrat Nashim, they did a big construction. What was the big construction? בגמרא מבואר, the Gemara, they explained שעשו גזוטראות מסביב. They made ramps around. They made a second floor. They made a second floor all around Ezrat Nashim. והתקינו שיהיו נשים יושבות מלמעלה והנשים מלמטה. They made it so that the women are going to go on the second floor and the men are going to be below for the next day, for the dancing. כדי שלא יהיו מעורבים ויבואו לידי קלות ראש, so that the men and women are not going to be mixed. And then men and women are mixed in a celebration and happiness. You know what happens. I don't need to tell you. You've been to weddings before when it's mixed. ומנורות של זהב היו שמה. And they had big candelabras of gold, tall ones. וארבעה ספלים של זהב בראשיהם. So there were big pillars of gold, and every pillar had 4 big cups of gold on the 4 sides of the pillar. בראש כל מנורה. וארבעה סולמות לכל אחד ואחד. And there were 4 ladders on each side. Yeah, on each side. כלומר, 4 סולמות לכל מנורה מנורה. 4 ladders on each candelabra. סולם לכל ספר. And then there was a ladder for every cup on each side of it. So there was a big pillar, like almost looked like a traffic light. Traffic light went over there, traffic light here, to 4 sides, and there was ladders leading up to climb all the way to the top. וארבעה ילדים מפרחי כהונה, and 4 children. When it says children, I don't mean, they're not meaning children. They mean youngsters, yeah. Below 30 years old, they're called children. Yeah, they're not, the ones who are learning, between 20 and 30. Yeah. ארבעה ילדים פרחי כהונה, מצעירי הכהנים, from the young ones, על הסולמות, אחד על כל סולם. One was his job to go up and down on every ladder. ובידיהם קדים של שמן. In their hands they held jugs of oil של 120 log. Of 120 log. 15 liters. 15 liters to every cup. 15 liters. 15. 1-5.
Oh, 15.
15.
Oh.
15 liters
is possible.
Yeah.
I used to, as a kid, I remember I used to bring 20 liter to 3rd floor in my house.
Oh, so 20 liters good. Yeah. So on your shoulder, 15 liter, you could do it. Yeah.
I used to do that.
You know the 5 gallons water?
Yeah.
How many liters is 5 gallons?
5 gallons.
Yeah, so it's only 3. It's about 3 gallons, not so much.
Oh.
It's not the end of the world. Yeah, 3 gallons. Think about it, around 3 gallons of oil, and you have to climb up. Understand? It's not that difficult. Even I can do it. Yeah. בברייתא בגמרא מבואר שכל התקדים של 4 ילדים היו 120 לוג. They were all 120 לוג, שהם 30 לוג לכל אחד, 30 לוג to each one, כ-15 ליטר. It's like 15 ליטר. שהם מטילים לכל ספר וספר, that they used to put in each cup. כל אחד היה יוצק שמן מכדו לספר. Each one used to pour into the jug.